guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show you an easy hack to format your thumb drive or your disk. Before that, a disclaimer for y'all: please back up them before you try this, since you will have a hard time recovering them. So this will be useful when you have an undetectable or hidden files in your thumb drive and which cannot be accessible, some kind of viruses in it which cannot be deleted, and for most cases if you have a bootable OS in your thumb drive, this trick should help you. So in my case, I have a bootable Kali Linux on my thumb drive. Let me show you. So yeah, I get a warning like this, and if I show you, my thumb drive size is 14 GB and I get to use only 2.56 GB of free space. And so shall we begin it? So let's get started. First you have to go to CMD and run it as administrator. Yes, and type in Diskpart, and yeah, on Diskpart, and next up you have to list your disk. So list disk. So here you have my SSD, my hard drive, and this is my thumb drive over here, disk 2. You have to select the disk. Select disk 2, and yes, the disk is selected now, and you have to type in clean to delete all files in it, and basically it cleans everything. And you have a pop-up there, and next up you have to create as a partition primary. This doesn't mean anything, but create partition primary, as you can use this space again. Create partition primary, and that's done. You have to just format it now. Format FS, the file system. I would like to use NTFS, and type in quick. This is important, guys. Sorry, my bad. Quick, to format it quickly as possible. If not, it takes around 20 minutes to completely format the disk. Quick would do it as fast as possible. And please, while you Google this or while you're streaming on YouTube, you might search for this solution, but there are some other steps like activate and select partition. Those stuff didn't work, and those stuff took around 1 hour or so to complete this process. So this would find it easy for you to completely format your thumb drive, and it's a safe way too. So let's get started. So it will take some time, mostly. Yeah, done. And you can see the disk over here. I have redeemed my rest of the memory in it. I have 14.4 GB, and that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to our channel. Please share with your friends, and catch you on a new video. Thank you.